Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send Tether from your Coinbase wallet to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets smoothly between wallets, and Tether is one of the most popular stablecoins out there. This step-by-step guide will make it easy, even if you're just starting out. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have both Coinbase Wallet and MetaMask installed and set up on your device. You'll need a bit of Tether in your Coinbase wallet to get started, and remember, we're dealing with blockchain transactions, so double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Head over to your Assets section and locate Tether, usually listed as USDT. Step 2. In MetaMask, open the app or extension, and ensure you're on the correct network, probably Ethereum, since Tether is an ERC20 token. Copy your MetaMask wallet address by clicking the copy icon next to it. Step 3. Back in Coinbase Wallet, select the Send or Withdraw option for your Tether. Paste the MetaMask address into the recipient field. Be extra careful here. Double-check that the address is correct to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 4. Enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any network fees. They can vary based on congestion, so choose a standard or slow option if you're not in a rush. Step 5. Review the details one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt, approve it, and the transaction will start processing on the blockchain. Step 6. Sit tight. Transactions usually take a few minutes, but it could be longer if the network is busy. Once it's done, open MetaMask and refresh your balance to see your Tether arrive. A quick tip: always use the same network for both wallets to avoid errors, and never share your private keys. If you encounter any issues, check the Coinbase or MetaMask support pages. There you have it. That's how you send Tether from Coinbase to MetaMask in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it opens up more opportunities in the crypto world. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.